Oh, he's big. He's got to be 60 centimetres easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, no, 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 no. Whoa. 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 Oh, I'm on an absolute beast here. Going for it. Yes, got him. Ooh, that is a big one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he's come off. That is huge. Got him. Well, hi all, welcome to Fly Fishing with Krazza. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I have done one video before on this. I'm going to actually target carp. They're a very underrated fish when it comes to a sports fish. They do put up a good fight, especially the big ones. I'm up near Kyneton. There's a few lakes up here that do have some really big carp. So look, that's what I'm targeting today. I'm just going to have to seek out and see what I can find. But look, if you don't come, you don't catch. So I hope I do get some footage of some decent carp that I catch, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Just spotted one. He's sitting right in there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's a big one. He looks like a good maybe 60 centimetres. So just got to put this fly. So what I've learned, once they start to move away, they're not interested in your food. They've obviously seen you and they've spooked, and it's going to be a really hard ask to actually try and catch them. So yeah, once they move away, the show's over and you're not going to catch them. So yeah, that's what I've learned. See it? You got it? No. No. Still there. Oh, he's going. He's gone to the other side. Okay, you can see one in front of me, right in front of me there. Just got to drop the fly in front of him without him seeing me. Oh, has he seen me? Oh, that's two of them there. Yeah, they've seen me, damn. Gee, they're so easily spooked. Gee, finally onto one. I'll tell you what, it's taken so long. Just been sneaking up on them. And this one was right in front of me. I just guided the fly into his mouth. So it's not a real big one, but that's what I'm targeting carp. And got him. All right, that is a big fish. It's big carp. I reckon he's probably about, I don't know, 45, 50 centimetres. So yeah, that's the fly I tied. It's got a couple of eyes on it, and that's the carp. Not a bad sized fish, but you're encouraged to kill them and not throw them back in, because they're an introduced species and they just eat all the native fish, and they just make a mess of the system. So that's why today I've just targeted them. I'll get rid of a few, and I might put this one in the garden. Apparently they're really good compost, so I'm going to put him out of his misery, and he's going in the garden. So yeah, that's the first one. I'm on the board. On my second one here. This one looks a bit bigger. Just got to sneak up to him. I can see another big one following him. There's a few in this pool. I might see if I can drag him away from this pool. And so these guys stay here. Oh, he's big. He's got to be 60 centimetres easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. They put up a good fight, these things. Nice big bend in the rod too. Okay. Bit of, whoa. Bit of a sandbar here, which is good. Gee, they're so big and healthy. Okay, let's see if I can get him in a minute. No, he's not ready. The way you know they're around is I just look for like bits of reed and that floating in the water, and you know that they've been foraging in the river. So when I see that, I just slow right down and just keep my eye out. So I'm just sight fishing pretty much for these carp. When I see them, I just slow down and just creep up on them. Oh, here he comes. No, he's not ready. I'm getting a sore arm. No, don't go downstream. No, 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 no. Come up. No, I don't want to be chasing you. Got him. Wow, that is a big fish. Oh yeah, that's huge. That's got to be 60 centimetres. Get the fly out. Comes out real easy because barbless. Don't know why I got barbless, but that's why I'm fishing these today. So there he is. One here. Big black one. Do it in front of him. Oh, I spooked him. I don't know what as I was trying to put the fly in front of him, some little fish attacked the fly. Oh, here he is. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. No. Man. It's so frustrating, like they're right in front of me. And the idea is to get the bait right in front of their gob. And that way they just can't refuse it. They just suck it in like they suck in everything else. Gotta be patient. Here comes that black one again. Come on. Yes. Oh, I got him. Yes. That's that dark one. I don't know if I foul hooked him or what. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he's come off. Yeah, I must have foul hooked him. Damn. See one here on the side of the riffle. Just going to get my fly in front of him. That's it. Oh, I thought he had it. I haven't spooked him yet. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. All right. Whoa. Got him. Not a bad one. You're all good. size. It's like a good 60, this one. Oh, almost fell in the river. Keeping upstream. He was just sitting next to the riffle waiting for food to come down, and I spotted him. Here he comes. No. Exactly where a trout would sit, that's where he was. Whoa, 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 no, 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 no. Whoa, he's gone past me. Didn't want him to go down. Oh, great. It's such a pretty powerful fish, so you just got to deal with it. Suck it up and deal with it. That's it. Come on, no, I want you to go up, not down. Oh, gee. On the bank. The net. I should be right now. No, you're not. Got him. Whew. That's a good fish. That's another good one. Yeah, that's it. I just stalked him. I'll get that fly out of him. That's come out already. Yeah, the fly's come out. There it is. So yeah, I just stalked him. I saw him there sitting next to that riffle, and just put the fly in front of his big gob, and he took it. So yeah, that's 3 for today. It's pretty good. Well, hi everyone. It's lunchtime, and I bet you can guess what I'm having for lunch. Yep, you're right. Smoked trout. Check that out. That is fantastic. So yeah, I'm just having lunch now. So I've got 3. There's an area in our garden, we call it the plastic area. Every time we plant a tree there, it stays the same size. So we always say it's plastic. So I'm gonna dig a trench there and put these carp in, and hopefully it enriches the soil and things will grow. Because at the moment, we put like a aloe vera there and that's become plastic, like the potostrum we had there before. So yeah, that's what the carp's for, but they are good fun to catch. So yeah, you just got to sight them and just be patient and you'll get onto them. So yeah, I'll just dig into my lunch. Thanks for watching. Another one. Come on, eat it. Going for it. Yes, got him. Ooh, that is a big one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he's come off. Damn, that was a good fish. Oh, well, that was fun. Took a while. So anyway, you win some, you lose some. Got him. Yeah, so I've got on another one here. Just got to be patient. It took me so long to get this. Oh, I want to take him over. I've only lipped it, so be careful. There he comes. Got him. Oh, another one. I think that's 4, I think. That's got to be at least 55, I reckon. I'll get the hook out. It's a fly, just a couple of eyes and some, I think that was like some rooster hackle or something, and then just a little bit of a coloured thing. But you've really got to put it in front of them. If it's not in front of them, they hardly ever go and scurry for it, unless they're waiting in a riffle and looking for food, then they'll dart across. But if they're just cruising, I've noticed you've got to put it right in front of their gob, otherwise they just don't go for it. There you go, another carp on the fly. I'm on an absolute beast here. Ooh. Oh, going nuts. That is huge. When they get on the water, get down. Just the camera a bit. There he is. Oh, this is huge. This will be the biggest one for today. I don't want you to go downstream, no. Oh. No. Got it. Oh, God. That is huge. Oh. Oh. Wow. Well, there you go. Another huge one. Just got to be patient and just put that fly in front of his mouth. And there you go, fly straight out. Oh, there you go. It's a big carp. You're not going in the water. Oh, there you go. It's got to be like 650 or something. It's a big fish. Happy days. Oh, come off. That was a big one. Oh. Right, so I'm on a good one here, so hopefully he stays on. I've lost 2 of them in this hole. Just wait and see. The only thing is I can't get down. Walking over there. Put the camera down a touch. See him down there. Pretty good one. Oh. Seem to have him hooked well for now. Alright. Oh. Come on, come on. No, I don't want you to go down. There we go. No. Head up. Head up. Head up, head up, head up, head up. Got him. Alright. Oh. There was lots of carp in that hole, but just had to wait. Sorry, it took me 15 minutes to catch this fish. But you know what? Just got to have patience, and the opportunity ends up coming. They're huge. Huge carp. Yeah, you notice I haven't got my other net here today. It's probably a bit small for these fish, and they just put up a big smell, these carp, and I just don't want my net smelling like carp when I go somewhere. So I've got this now. This is my first fly fishing net that I hardly ever used. So yeah, there we go. I don't know how many that is, maybe 6. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's another one I got out of the system. So yeah, happy days. In front of me, there's a carp just basking in the shallows. I'll just try and put the fly right in front of him without spooking him. Ah, I spooked him. That's how easy it is. Just looking at the bank here, you can see all these holes. I'm thinking that this is the carp sticking their mouths and noses into this bank and just fossicking for whatever food they can get. Yeah, if you know what it is, if I'm right, let me know, because yeah, a lot of the banks along these rivers is just getting eroded away by these carp as well. So they're not only eating our native species, they're, you know, damaging the banks of the rivers, which is pretty disappointing. I know they want to introduce like a virus for the carp. It's a contentious issue at this stage. I think the fisheries want to do it, but I think council and government are still and ahhing. They just don't want it to be like a cane toad incident where they lose control of things. So yeah, I think you watch that space, because they're certainly putting pressure on to make it happen. But yeah, let me know if you know what those holes are. I think it's from the carp, but yeah, let me know. Cheers. Well, that's it for today. There's a fair bit of walking today that I've done. I'm absolutely knackered, but I'm happy. I caught the target fish that I come here for to catch. I ended up catching, I think, 6 or maybe 7. I lost a few there, so I helped eradicate some of these pests and had some fun at the same time. And I'll put some fertilizer down in the garden with the carp that I caught. So yeah, not bad at all. So I can't complain. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to subscribe, that'd be great. If you want to leave a comment, there's a few questions there I think I asked. If you want to answer them, that'd be great. Yeah, and give it a like if you thought it was a good video. So once again, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.